Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Squarespace to style your website branding, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw using Squarespace to style your website branding, start by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the home menu and click on Design. From the Design menu, select Site Styles. Here, you'll find Begin with the Logo and Title section. Upload your logo if you have one, or customize the text for your website title. Next, adjust your site's color palette. Choose colors that represent your brand's identity. Move on to typography. Select font styles that align with your branding and adjust the size and spacing as needed. Now, head over to the header section. Here you can modify the layout and spacing of your header elements. After that, visit the footer settings. Customize your footer to include essential branding elements, such as social media links. Then, navigate to the Buttons section. Choose styles that fit seamlessly with your website's overall look. Check out the Backgrounds options. Upload images or colors that reflect your brand's essence. If your website includes images, access the image blocks. Style these images to maintain consistency throughout your site. Consider incorporating a unique pattern or texture that resonates with your branding. Now, visit the spacing settings. Adjust padding and margins to create a balanced layout. Review your changes in the preview mode to see how everything looks together. Make sure each element works harmoniously to convey your brand message. When satisfied, click Save to apply your changes. Finally, review your entire website to ensure your branding is cohesive and appealing. This process will enhance your website's identity and user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.